You looking for me, Willie Brown? Been a long time, hasn't it, Willie?
I'm gonna head down to the muddy water, get on my knees and pray. Lord, send someone my way. Oh Lord, if you please. Now take me down to the crossroads, sunshine in my hair, where legends were made and the ways were paved for those who had a cross to bear. Make no mistake, I know my fate will be dealt by the hands of me. Get out of my way, you pencil pushers, and try to stand in my way. I'll tell you once, won't tell you twice.
Real quick. Jack Butler's gonna like
you. Lay me down at the crossroads, hellhound on my trail. Won't be long, I'll be heading back, right on down to Rosedale. Loretta's unfortunately no longer by my side, but I got my house, baby, for sure by the riverside. For the first time